Here is how to get 100k profit that you can use to trade. No deposits, no KYC, nothing. All you have to do is just register, create an account with them, and you'll be getting your 100k profit. As you can see right shown on the screen, I've been able to claim mine, and at the end of this video I'll be showing you how you can get yours fast. If you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on updates I'll be dropping, because I'll be dropping videos often. And also make sure you turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on the update. The link to this channel will be in the description of this video. Click on it and it will bring you right to this part here. All you have to do right here is create an account with them. Put in your details, your name, your email address, your verification code. They'll be sending it to your email, and then you click on the join now. Then after clicking on join now, all you have to do is just go to the Gmail, getting the code that they'll be sending to you. You copy it and you come back here and paste the code. As you can see right shown on the screen is the code I got from the platform. So what I'll be doing here is copying the code, and I'll be going back to the site to paste the code just as I am doing on the screen. So you too, you'll be doing the same. Yes, so you'll be pasting the code, don't forget. Then after that, you click on join now. So after clicking on join now, you wait patiently for the site to load. As you can see, it's loading. Then you wait for it to load. Then after that, if you notice that the loading is taking a while, just click on the dashboard right in that corner there. Then you'll be seeing this on your screen. All you have to do here is just click on personal center. After clicking on it, this will show right on your screen. As you can see, these are the bonuses that are available on this platform. They have the 5k USDT, 10k, the 25k, but the one we'll be claiming for free is the 100k profit free funded account here. So all you have to do is just click on that personal center up there. Then after clicking on it, it will bring you right to this part here. So the next thing you want to be doing is clicking on that zero cost version there in up here. So after clicking on zero cost version, as you can see shown on the screen is the 10k funded account, and if you see the ticket price is free once a month. So now we'll be claiming this bonus. You click on that free once a month, and this will pop up right on your screen. As you can see, the application has been successful and the account information has been sent by email. Please check the email. So after that, you click on OK. Then the next thing you want to do is go to your email and get the message that they have sent to you. So as you can see right shown on the screen, this is the email I got from the platform. Congratulations on successfully applying for a free account. Here is my account and my password. That's the login details I'll be using to get the account. So now to get this bonus, all you have to do is just go to the web platform, or you can download their app on the App Store or Play Store. So now I'll be clicking on the web platform. As you can see, it's loading. So here we have the home page to the platform. As if you notice, it's in Chinese, so we'll be translating this to English language right here. So as you can see, I've translated mine to English. So all you want to do in this page here is to click on login that is showing in this down part. So you click on login. The details they sent to you to your email is what you'll be copying here. You'll be pasting it here to log in to your account. So as you can see shown on the screen, I've copied mine. So now I'll be clicking on login so I can get the account. So after that, this will pop up right on your screen. Don't forget to change the language to English language so you can understand the site better. So here I went to the assets, and as you can see shown on the screen is the 100k free funded account that I've been able to claim. As you can see, it's successful. So all you want to do now is to start trading on this platform. As you can see shown on the screen, I've clicked on trade, and here are the markets that you can use to place your order and start trading. If you know you have any question concerning claiming this profit, drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll be starting a free forex class. If you know you want to join this class, I'll be dropping the link to the group on the description of this video, so you can click on it and join the class. I'll be starting the class very soon. Thank you and do have a nice day.